Welcome to Study Loop.
Hey everyone, today we're answering problem number 18 from chapter 14 of the textbook, which asks us to figure out how the effect of the poverty trap can be reduced. So the poverty trap is very, very powerful, and in order to reduce it, you really need government action. So it's government control, that's the first key component to our answer. And the fact that the government could design an anti-poverty program um, is our answer in its entirety. Um, but it's not all about the answer, and I think in this problem we also want to examine how such an anti-poverty program could raise several other issues. Um, so basically how it could work is that the government could design this anti-poverty program so that instead of reducing government payments by $1 for every $1 earned, the government would reduce payments by some smaller amount instead. Imposing requirements for work as a condition of receiving benefits, and setting a time limit of benefits can also reduce the harshness of the poverty trap. So there could be an anti-poverty program. That's one potential answer to this problem. Anti-poverty. And again, as I mentioned before, this program will be government run and government controlled. So that's probably the most powerful way it could get done. And then also it says requirements for work. Well, I'm not going to write it all out, but there could be requirements for work. Actually, I'm just going to leave it all. I will circle in red the final answer, but let's continue reading on. An anti-poverty program would raise other issues because even if it does not eliminate the incentive to work by reducing government payments by $1 for every $1 earned, enacting such a program may still reduce the incentive to work, which is never a good thing. And then the second major issue that would result from an anti-poverty program is that when the government phases out its support payments more slowly, this anti-poverty program would be very, very costly. So for a final answer, a government-run anti-poverty program would be one of your solutions for how to reduce the effects of the poverty trap. Then your second answer would be imposing requirements as a condition of receiving benefits. And last but not least, our third answer would be potentially setting a time limit on benefits. All three of these are ways to reduce the effects and the harshness of the poverty trap. If you guys enjoyed this video explanation, please hit the like button next to it and have a nice day.